Hello.
Hello, I'm Sanjeev from VC Media, and we are here to cover this startup Mahakumbh. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Varsha Shrestha and Rinzing Chole from Agapi Sikkim. And they would there's a startup organization. We would like to understand their journey and their future plans.
So, hello. Agapi was started in 2019 as a sole proprietorship, and in 2022 is when we incorporated. And yeah, so we have skincare. It's a skincare brand from Sikkim. So we have products ranging from handcrafted soaps to almost more than 50 products, handcrafted soaps to oil and scrubs and lotions and scrubs. And so I think our unique selling point is we have tapped into the local herbs and plants which are available in our region. So the skincare product that you see is made out of some kind of inclusion of those herbs.
And about your journey, what made you come into this startup journey?
So, startup journey, it's been a learning process every day for us. We've met a lot of very nice people who helped us, guided us, and be where we are today. I mean, we still haven't achieved all that we've set out to do, but we're getting there. I mean,
Your future plans?
future plans is of course to be the biggest skincare brand coming out from the Northeast, and I think we can do it.
Do you have any centers in Delhi NCR?
Not in Delhi,
Not really.
Bombay, Calcutta.
Any plans to coming over to Delhi?
Yes, of course. We have scheduled a couple of meetings here in Delhi. So since it's a sustainable business, we would like to approach, businesses who have the same ethics like ours. And yeah, so other than it's not just about crafting skincare, it is also about providing, employment to the women from the tribal region who've never had the opportunity to explore. So it is more about the social impact that we're trying to create with our business.
What is the team size?
We have 15 directly under us, but we have trained more than 500 women now. And most of these women, they have their own self-help group, and so that there is recurring revenue for them. We also procure few of the products from them. And other than that, they're independent to carry on their businesses as they like, and we kind of handhold them to follow the process.
Any message for the startup teams who would dream to be having their own startups?
Yeah, I feel, coming from a place like Sikkim, where startup is still a very new concept. There are many businesses, but when you say startup, I think the concept is still not clear to so many of them. But I think it's a good opportunity for entrepreneurs like us to, if you want to expand, you have like organizations like DPIIT, startup, MSME, who are always there to kind of support your business and handle you through the early stages. So I would say, I think if you want to expand your business and if you, want to see your business grow, you should just go for it.
Follow your.
Follow your heart.
On that note, I would like to thank you for your precious time.
Thank you.